Power China, a state-owned hydropower and civil engineering construction giant in China, donated on Saturday over 500 sets of solar power light systems to the Latai village, in Bunkure local government area of Kano State, North Nigeria. The donation will end the long history of relying only on charcoal fires or kerosene lamps for nighttime lighting in the village.
Wannan sine 100 mun gode musu Allah ya saka da alkhairi. Ina kai shekaru 49 gaskiya ba na amfani da wadannan irin ayo sai dai kawai mu zuba wuta irin ayon ne na gargajiya jinki amfani.
From now on, Ibrahim and more than 300 other families in the village will have clean, sustainable lighting for nighttime at almost no cost. Tian Yuan, chief representative of Power China in Nigeria, said the donation aims to implement the 100 Companies in 1,000 Villages campaign, initiated by the Alliance of Chinese Companies in Africa for Corporate Social Responsibilities, promoting sustainable development of economy, society and environment in the continent.
This equipment will go a long way in one, improving the security of the community, two, will improve the welfare of the community, three, will even improve the development of the children.
Nigeria has huge deficit in power supply due to insufficient power generation capacity and poor transmission and distribution networks. According to data on the World Bank's website, only 55.4% of the population in the most populous African country has access to the grid electricity.